Hello everyone. So here I am going to cover the physics or science parts, okay, for RRB group D. So first question from physics. See here asking raindrops acquire a spherical shape due to. So spherical shape, you people already noticed that raindrop usually comes like spherical shapes, okay. So it is because of viscosity or surface tension. Friction and elasticity is not related thing, okay. So we need to think on viscosity and surface tension. So viscosity actually the resistance force to a layer of liquid, okay, to a layer of liquid when it passes through a pipe or some tunnel like structure, okay. So viscosity is not acting here. So spherical shape is actually due to surface tension. The surface tension means the force acts over the layer of liquid, okay. It may be water or something else. So next question. See, it is more difficult to walk on ice than on a concrete road because there is very little friction between the ice and the feet passing it. Ice is soft when compared to concrete. There is more friction between the ice and here. So here see, it is more difficult to walk on ice than on a concrete road. So here there is a very little friction between the ice and feet pressing it because ice is to a some extent can be pressed, okay. That's why it is pressable. That's why the friction is less. In case of concrete road it is not, okay. So next question. A solid ball of a metal has a spherical cavity inside it. When the ball is heated, the volume of the cavity will. What are they doing? See, a solid ball of metal has a spherical cavity inside it. So spherical cavity is there, okay. When the ball is heated, now we are heating it. So when we supply heat, then the volume of the cavity, what will be the phenomena? So first of all, solid ball is there, solid ball of metal, that means it is getting increased in volume, okay. And inside that spherical cavity it should also be increased, right. The cavity should be increased. That's why so simple it is. So next question. When a bottle of perfume is opened in one corner of the room, the smell spreads room throughout the room. Whenever we open a perfume vessel, then from one side, every side it goes. It is because of the diffusion, right. Diffusion is the property of gases to get propagated from one place to another place, from higher concentration to lower concentration, okay. So next question. See, skating on ice is possible because the C option is correct. The pressure on the ice due to skate melts the ice, okay. So next question. Next question on it. Yeah, this one I think you all people know. Question number 11. What is Newton's third law of motion? So every action has equal and opposite reaction. This is the third law of motion given by Newton. So C option is correct, okay. This one is same. So here, if no external force acts on a system of bodies, the total linear momentum of the system of bodies remains constant. Means the momentum is not changing. Why? The change of momentum occurs only when we apply force, and this is the Newton's first law? No. Why Newton's first law? It is not Newton's first law. Actually, Newton's first law, it cannot be changed. When we don't apply force from outside, the body moves in same velocity. Okay, that is the first law. Second law, when we change, the change of rate of the momentum is proportional to the applied force. Here what they are saying, the total linear external force acts on a system of bodies, no external force, so the total linear momentum remains. This is the actually linear momentum principle of conservation of linear momentum. Okay, this is tricky question. From Newton's second law we can get this formula. Okay, but it is derived from, not directly by Newton's second law. That's why we need to say principle of conservation of linear momentum. Okay, thank you.